Okay, I just ran into this issue and I was able to figure it out. So if you're having this issue too, hopefully this will help you. So on my Apple Watch, I've got a widget right here. That's the weather. And I recently updated my watch and this weather widget just was blank. So it just had two little dots and would not refresh and get me the current temperature when I wanted it on my widget on my Apple Watch. So there's actually an Apple document that came out in like September of 2023 that addresses this. Because I tried all sorts of things and it didn't work. After I tried what Apple suggested, it worked. So the first thing is they say on your iPhone, go into your privacy and security, location services. You can scroll down till you find weather. And you find your weather, and they just recommended changing it to like never, or just changing it to something and then changing it back. And hopefully that would fix it. That did not work for me. So what did work is when you go into your settings under general, you could scroll all the way to the bottom, and it's a transfer or reset iPhone. So be careful of this, but you're actually not going to reset the phone. When you hit reset, there's a box that appears that says reset or erase all contents. So we're going to just hit the reset button. You hit reset and voila, we get all these options. So you can reset your network, reset keyboard, home screen layout, and look at that. The bottom one, that's what we want. Reset, location, and privacy. Once you click that, it will reset all of your location and privacy settings. So that worked, that fixed it. So now my Apple Watch will show the weather. So something broke inside there where it was not allowed to show me network information for weather and such like that. So I will warn you, once you do hit reset and you reset all your privacy, every app you open won't have access to your location or be able to access a lot of things. So you will have to go through. So when you open an app, it will ask you again, hey, am I allowed to track you? Like I use Home Assistant to automate some things like opening my garage door. That didn't work because Home Assistant no longer had my location. So when I opened Home Assistant, it asked me, hey, can I have my access again? And you just said yes, always allow, or only allow when the app is open. So just be warned that that can happen, or that will happen when you reset all those settings, every app you open, that once your information will have to ask, which I think you should do this every once in a while because you don't know what apps are actually doing some things behind the scenes. So anyway, that worked for me. So now I have my weather widget. There is an Apple documentation. I will link that in the description if you just want to read it for yourself. But they went through the 2 steps that I went through. Hopefully this helps. And I don't know if this is an iOS 17 bug only, but it did come out. The document came out really recently. And after I followed it, it worked. So hopefully this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.